Hey guys, welcome back to Like Nomad. I'm William Walker. Today we're going to be making some bat jigs. One of my favorites. I'll go through the whole process. I could have made a short form video of this, but I decided today to kind of make it a little bit longer. So stay tuned guys. This is a great jig, fun to make, and if you're looking for something that crappie really love, this is it. All right guys, I'm gonna get my mask on, but what we have done so far is I've just put the bat jigs up, put all the wire forms in and the hooks, and I let them sit up there as the lead gets hot because it warms up the mold. It makes it shoot a lot nicer. Make sure the lead's running, and it is. Really hot. Yeah, I wondered if I got flashing on that one. One of these was just a little bit off, but that comes off super easy. So, step one done, let's go paint. All right guys, I have to record this after that heat gun was really loud. Anyway, what I did here was I heated up the jigs until I kind of see the color change on the lead, just get a little more shiny, and put it in some pearl white. And then I went ahead and heated it back up till the paint was nice and, I don't know, reduced to like a liquid. Then I put some black on top of that. I like to use cotton swabs, just to tap the paint on. It makes it a really nice fade look. But, and then on the bottom, I'm gonna do a little bit of pink. I really like pink when it comes to crappie. But yeah, so this is all Pro-Tech stuff. I'm gonna do the same thing with the cotton swab. Get the jig nice and hot, get the paint ready to go, and then I'll just tap it on there because it pretty much bonds straight to the jig head right after that. All these do need cooked for 20 minutes in at 350 degrees. I have a little toaster oven in the garage I use for that. And you keep that in there for 20 minutes, and those things are as hard as a diamond. I mean, you're not going to break them. Now the fun part. Putting on eyes here in a second. Not really sure what size eyes went on all of these. I know they're all different. Anyway, I went with these reptile eyes. I love them. I went to school for biology. A lot of herpetology focus. I saw some reptile eyes and I couldn't help myself. And once I get the eyes on there with some Loctite super glue, I actually like to use Sally Hansen's fingernail polish, the hardener. It does a really good job of keeping the eyes on, like amazing. Because the super glue, it'll stay on, but not forever. This stuff, I haven't had an eye come off since I started using it, so definitely recommend getting this if you're gonna be making these for people, because you don't want your eyes falling off. Right, and there's the finished product. One of the many bat jigs I just made. Really like those eyes. But I really love these, just the versatility that they have. I do throw some swim baits on it, but that little wire keeper really does a good job keeping the soft plastic on. I love eye spots on my jigs. And then that is a wacky hook, size 6, I believe. So it's perfect for crappie, but it does, like, if you get snagged, you can pull it out. Like, you can straighten the hook, you know. These are for paper mouths, you know. Anyway, no, this is one of my favorites. Been fishing a lot this year so far, and it's done a lot of good work for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I know that I had a lot of fun, and hopefully I'll be back with another video before too long. Thank you again for watching. Bye.